There's no need to reward you for doing stuff you should do anyway. If you pick up your trash after you've done a cutting project, you don't need a token, a sticker, or a bonus buck for that. All right, and I think that's where some of our systems have fallen apart, is that if you make it in one piece down the hallway from point A to point B, you don't need to get paid for that. For kids who are on behavior plans that are an external reward system, and they're able to manipulate the plan, they don't belong on the plane in the first place. Okay? I know I just stepped on the third rail there, didn't I? Okay? But I have to say it for your sake because I think it's just so important for us to be able to talk about that. If you can manipulate the plan, it means that you shouldn't be on it. If you're on a reward plan because cognitively we're trying to keep you safe, get you into routines, using a different model, totally understandable to help you through that process. So we just have to be really careful that we're not using a one-size-fits-all system.